Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode UI for Dialogs in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully loaded and ready to use. Once your PC is up and running, head over to your desktop where you'll begin the process of switching your dialog interface to dark mode. Now, on your desktop, right-click on any blank space. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and select Personalize. This option opens up Windows personalization settings where you can customize various aspects of your system's appearance, including themes, colors, and display modes. Once the personalization window opens, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different customization categories. Click on Colors to access the color settings for your system. This section controls how Windows displays its interface elements and allows you to switch between light and dark themes. In the Colors section, scroll down until you find an option labeled Choose your default app mode. This setting determines the overall appearance of your Windows interface, including dialogues, menus, and system windows. You'll notice two radio button options here, light and dark. Go ahead and click on the radio button next to dark. As soon as you click it, you'll immediately see your Windows UI for Dialogs switch to dark mode in real time. The change happens instantly, transforming all your system dialogues, notification windows, and interface elements to a darker color scheme that's easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Once you've selected dark mode and confirmed the change has taken effect, simply close the personalization window. Your new dark mode settings are now applied and will remain active across all your dialogues and system windows. This dark interface reduces eye strain and gives your Windows 11 system a sleek, modern appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.